Yeah. It's way up high. Můstek station. Prague 1. Going way up. There you go. I think I'm gonna go faster a little bit because we're a little bit late in the Můstek. We're going to Astronomical clock. There you go. 3 seconds. It's way up here. Way up high. A little bit faster. A little bit faster. Where are we heading at? We're right here in the Můstek station. Actually, we're already here near in the astronomical clock. Yeah, this is it. Whew. We're in the astronomical clock. Okay, a little bit of walk. Going to have a little bit of walk. Yeah. Near town square. We're going right here in the old town square. Got a lot of cannabis store here. Cannabis. And some candy miners. So this is the early morning view of the old town square. The new town square is located right there. Over there. So we're walking over towards there. The astronomical clock. 10 minutes more. You want to change right there. Somebody changing. Money changer. Good then. I'm gonna buy some souvenirs right there. Oh, there's a Bitcoin right here. A cryptocurrency. Maybe not. Our bank. Credit bank. Yeah, the coins I'm talking about. So they got meow coin. They got meow coins. There, see. They got some investment coins. And there also right there. We're already here at the astronomical clock, the tourist spot. There, the astronomical clock. Right there. Oh, I can zoom. Souvenir shop. Buy some souvenirs. Magnetic. There are some of the souvenirs. There you go. If you want to buy. Right there, almost there at the astronomical clock. Yeah. They got a lot of ATMs. The other sides. Museum. Still closed. The section museum. Still closed. Got that. Almost there. And we are here. We're here already. There, and right here. Exactly. Got a lot of. I mean, there are some, but later on, it will full of people right here to see this kind of tourist spot destination. This astronomical clock. There they are. See, there are some foreigners taking pictures to see this wonder of this astronomical clock. That's the old town square right there. Here's one.
¿Ya? Mira, que pasan por el medio.
Starbucks right there. Coffee. If you want to drink some hot wine, drink some beers, you can have some here later on. Or they gotta open this one later. So I'm just gonna see the view inside. Yeah, it's Holy Week special Easter. It's the Easter holiday. Got some kind of eggs floating. Got right there. I got some little bit of party right here later on. There's a special view right there. There you go. A lot of palaces. We can go up. We can go up here to see the view. Astronomical clock. We're going up to see the beauty, the surroundings. What's up in here? What's up in here? There you go. You gotta see this. Wow, beautiful flowers. Got beautiful flowers around. I can't zoom this one. Wow. What's the view? What's going on around? Beautiful sunrise. Easter eggs. Easter markets. I think they got some events right here later on. There. Let's see. I like the beautiful flowers. There.